We now move on to the second half of today's lovely evening. There is a constant presence of Devi, the Shakti, that exists in all of us. As they always say, there's a yin and a yang. Just in the same manner, the purest, the Devi, the giver of knowledge, is none other than Ma Saraswati. She is the one dressed in pure white, riding the swan, the giver of knowledge not only of the books, but also that of music and dance. The second half begins with a prayer to this great goddess, and followed then by Rupa Katal, different from the earlier one, as this constitutes of 7 beats. Before we move on to the second half, completely immersed in Devi Shakti, I would like to introduce to you 2 young and dynamic artists present on stage. We generally tend to mistakenly consider the sitar and the flute as an accompanying music or an accompanying artist. But you would only realize that the sound changes completely in the absence of these very, very important and indispensable musicians and artists. So on sitar we have Shri Pratik Pandit, and on flute we have Shri Bhuvan Dhakal. Please give a huge round of applause, because I think the younger generation always needs that. So here you're not only celebrating the younger generation, but you're celebrating these instruments which are so very important. And such amazing artists here on stage. Nalanda is extremely grateful that both of you all have taken time. You all are here. They are a part not only of today's performance, mind you, everybody who is sitting there today has been persistently, constantly in touch with Varda ma'am as she was creating and composing this lovely evening. So a huge round of applause for that too. Because today's day is tailor-made. It is not just that there are some pieces which are taught and they are brought here in front of you. Today's day is tailor-made for Trisha. And along with her, all of them together as one unit, one family have worked. And that is why you're seeing what you're seeing as magic is being created on stage. So on that lovely note, we now move on to Devi Shakti.
शुक्लां ब्रह्म विचारसार परमा आद्यां जगत् व्यापिनी वीणा पुस्तक धारिणी अभयदा जांढ्यान्धकारा पहा हस्तै स्फटिक मालिका विदधति पद्मासने संस्थिता वन्दे त्वां परमेश्वरी भगवती बुद्धिप्रदा शारदा बुद्धिप्रदा शारदा बुद्धिप्रदा
Now presenting Rupak Tal. Tin, tin, na, din, na, din, na, tin.
Din, na, din, na, tin, tin, na, din, na, din, na, tin, tin, na, din, na, din, na. तत्कार आगे जाओ बेटा. दिन ना दिन ना दिन ना धी ना तिन तिन ना धी ना दुगुन तिन तिन ना धी ना 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 तकित दिकित धा 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 तकित धा 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 तकित दिकित धा 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 धी ना तिन तिन ना पलटे ना धी एक आवर्तन तिन तिन ना धी ना तत तत तत
Before we go on to the grand finale of today's evening, we come to a very, very important time for all of us where we all get together and celebrate each other. And most importantly, Trisha takes the blessings of everybody who have made today possible. First and foremost, Trisha will take the blessings of Guru Dr. Srimati Uma Rele ma'am. I request ma'am to kindly come on stage. Can I have the house lights, please? This day would not have been possible if we didn't have the strongest support of the preserver of our institute. So a huge round of applause for ma'am. And Trisha, please come and take the blessings of ma'am. We on the other side also have a very special surprise for Trisha from Nalinda's side. A token of a lot of acknowledgement and a lot of blessings. This certificate of Arangetram, Rangmanch Pravesh that we have for our students. Celebrating her journey with us for 7+ years. And as we always have the family give something special to the child, there is a book that's coming her way in which all of us are going to write some lovely memories for her so that she has this with her forever to cherish all through her life. I request ma'am to kindly say a few words.
I think it's better to see her perform than speak, but then it's okay. I'll do in a short, brief method. I think हम कब से सुन रहे हैं सादा तोड़ा, सादी परन, सादा कुछ सादा नहीं है. हमें आप कुछ भी सादा नहीं लग रहा है. And credit goes to her for so effortlessly dancing. Congratulations, my dear child, Trisha, and Mr. and Mrs. I would say Trisha's parents, grandparents, and the full family of Trisha for giving her this day to celebrate her dance. And Trisha, don't stop. Continue dancing. The journey is begun now. So please continue dancing. We are always there, but you continue dancing, okay? Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, everybody.
Trisha will take the blessings of a guru on Padant, Dr. Srimati Varada Pandit ma'am. Go into the center at the X, please. It's always a sweet moment where the Dadi and Nani are coordinating this with us. So a huge round of applause to the family. You can see how special all these moments are that are being created here before us. And you have the granddaughter hiding the tray behind. Just look at that. Just look at how alert she has become on stage. Yeah, she's a pro now, man. She's too good. We have nothing left to teach this kid anymore. Trisha will take the blessings on tabla Shri Vivek Mishra ji. On vocal and harmonium, Shri Pushkaraj Bhagwat ji. On sitar, Shri Pratik Pandit ji. On flute, Shri Bhuvan Dhakal ji. Now, along with Varda ma'am, there was someone who was working in the shadows. She was present even today and performing everything that Trisha was doing on the stage behind in the wings for us to watch, and was as excited for her as she was for herself when she comes on stage. Now, that is none other than the teacher in charge, Srimati Sejal Deole Moghe. You can see the joy on the child's face when the teacher comes out walking, so that clearly tells you the lovely bond that they have together. Sejal is not just her teacher, but an accomplished Kathak artist herself. She is a master's alumni from Nalanda, and she has performed with us all over in a part of the Nalanda troupe. Currently, she is teaching in our evening hobby classes and also in the undergraduate course at the University of Mumbai. So that is Sejal. Now, Trisha is a beautiful girl in and out, we all know that, but isn't she looking stunning and gorgeous today? There. And in that there is the hand of one of our most favorite, Srimati Trusha Panchal Pandit. We are married, so we use all our surnames. Trusha herself is not just here for us for makeup only. She is an integral part of Nalanda's troupe. She performs the lead roles in most of our productions. She is a master's alumni at Nalanda Bharatanatyam and has performed all over with all of us. And currently also is the makeup teacher at the University of Mumbai level at Nalanda. At Nalanda, we have a team completely which helps us with everything that has to happen on stage. So with regards to light and sound also, we have our very own person who handles all of this, because we as artists have no idea about all these wires. They just look confusing and black and red to us. But for that, we have someone very, very special, Shri Vignesh Mahajan. He himself is also a master's alumni at Nalanda. And currently, he is working as visiting faculty for light and sound at the University of Mumbai level, teaching all our children how to manage the light and sound at the console too.
And the one who is holding the thread, the Sutradhar of today's evening, Dr. Vaidehi Rele Lal. She is also a wonderful dancer herself, a PhD from University of Mumbai and postgraduate from Nalanda in Bharatanatyam. She's a wonderful dancer and a faculty at Nalanda for UG, and slowly she'll also get into PG. I'm very proud to say that she's our daughter and taking this baton in her hand, which she has to continue in future with all these youngsters who are sitting here. So I'm sure our parivar is increasing of Nalanda, and I'm very happy about it.
It takes indeed a village to raise a child. Again, this is one of my very common lines I say nowadays, because I have an 18-month-old baby at home. I know that things are possible only because others stand by me. But in all of this, there is this little child who has, along with all of us, her village, done what she has done today. And yes, we have seen her dance. And I know that when Uma ma'am said that today is rather a day we see her dance than us talk. And I know that her friends sitting there hooted for that one line. So I would not talk anymore. But we surely want to hear what she wants to say to us. So here comes the vote of thanks directly from Trisha's heart.
Thank you, Miss. Hello, everyone. I would like to start off by thanking Nalanda for giving me this beautiful opportunity. I've grown up in Nalanda, spent 8 years actually. I spent 8 years learning to love Kathak with amazing teachers, and it's an honor to be sharing my love for dance with others. My sincere thanks to Nalanda Institute, Uma Miss, for providing me with this opportunity. I'd like to express my gratitude towards my two amazing gurus, Miss Varda and Miss Sejal, who've mentored me throughout these past 8 months. Your guidance and encouragement has helped me develop my Kathak skills, and I'm incredibly thankful for the effort you've put behind my dance, for teaching me every step, encouraging me to keep trying, and helping me feel confident on the stage. I truly appreciate the musical support by all the wonderful musicians on the stage. Your melody, rhythm, and voice has resonated beautifully over my dance. Thank you so much to my family for driving me to practice, cheering me on, and always being my biggest fans. I feel really blessed. A special thank you to my friends who came to watch, they clapped, and they shared the excitement with me. Your smiles made the performance even more special. I also want to thank my school, the organizers, and everyone who worked behind the scenes to set up lights, music, and especially the costumes, and making me feel confident in this attire. Your hard work has really helped me shine. And of course, thank you to all of you, my wonderful audience, for being here tonight. Seeing your faces and hearing your applause gave me the energy to dance my heart out. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I enjoyed performing it. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the evening.
It's always special, isn't it? Like how articulate she was, and she said everything from her heart. And all of us had to hold back a tear because it was very, very special. Thank you so much. You can get ready for your performance. Go backstage. She doesn't want to leave the stage. And now we come to the final performance of today's evening. A very, very special tarana, especially because it is in Rag Malhar, in complete unison and sync with the rains. The tarana in Kathak or the tilana in Bharatanatyam, I am quoting Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakrele here because that is a befitting end to any performance which is under the wings of Nalanda. She used to always say that the diya that we light in our homes or at the temple, it shines its brightest light before it extinguishes. And that is the time when the entire sanctum sanctorum of our temple at home is fully lit with this magical bright light. And that is exactly what this final piece, the finale piece, is to a performance, where the dancer, the artist, becomes one with her art. She is no more any different from her dance form, and there is complete unison between the artist and her art, bringing to you the tarana.
दगिन दा क्रांद दगिन दा क्रांद दगिन दा उदनी तदन तरि दीन तन दिरे नो उदनी तदन तरि दीन तन दिरे नो उदनी तदरी
दिन दिन
दिन ना तक दिन दिन ना धा दिन दिन ना दिन दिन ना। इतने देर से आप सभी लोग डांस देख ही रहे हैं, थोड़ा लाइट देना हॉल में। तो शुरू से लेके अभी तक डांस देख रहे हो और मेरे हिसाब से डांस सभी जगह पे है। अगर हार्ट बीट ना चले टाइम टाइम से बीट बीट तो पास में ही कोकिला बहन है, तो हर जगह डांस है। तो क्यों ना त्रिशा हम लोग एक जुगलबंदी करें विद इनके साथ? हाँ करें, चलो देखते हैं ये कितना समझे। सो मैं त्रिशा फिर आप फिर हमारे म्यूजिशियन करते हैं। हाँ क्लैप करना है आपको, डांस नहीं।
They said once more, you can't leave the stage. Stand. They said once more.
विघ्नेश आज संडे है, मिल जाएगा।
लाइट बंद मत कर. Once more. And you got all of them standing up. Soak it all in, Trisha. They're all clapping for you. Today is your day. It'll go out. The evening will be incomplete without all of us also celebrating the wind beneath her feet, and that is her parents. So requesting, and the younger brother, I can't forget that. Oh, the younger brother, always, always very, very special. So they would like to give a vote of thanks from their end to all of you. So just be with us. Look at him, he's also so, oh, such a moment it is, isn't it? Oh, an awe moment.
Hello, I'm Prithvi. And I knew that my Didi, she would do very well in her performance because in the morning she used to wake up at 6 o'clock just to practice for this performance. And then she used to cuddle me and sleep. And now all I want to do is give her one big hug because she has done very well in this performance. Thank you.
We're so proud of her today for what she's performed. We're all proud of her, yes. And to begin with, this was the dream of her dada, that she learns Kathak, she plays piano, and she's beautiful at both. And I would like to extend my gratitude to Nalanda, to Uma Miss, to her teachers for bringing out this budding dancer into such a beautiful performer today. We can't be more proud of her for what she's done, and more so because she's enjoyed it. She's enjoyed the dance, she's enjoyed the whole process of doing it, willingly wanting to do more. And I would like to thank the teachers for understanding her potential and challenging her to push herself to the limit so that she can dance this way. Grateful to everyone who have come here, who have supported her. To Kshitij for always being there to say, Bacha, you do what you want. You say you want to do it, we are there and we'll make you do it. Thank you to my family for always being there for her, and to all of y'all who have come.
Let me first begin by thanking y'all, the wonderful audience, including us. Thank you for honoring our invitation. Thank you for sparing your time to come and bless my daughter, our daughter Trisha. This couldn't have been complete the way it was without y'all being there, so a big thank you. A dear friend, my guide, told me that look after your family, and I believe we have. We were also told that don't look to pamper your kids, and I believe we've never pampered our kids, but we've just done our best to give them an environment, and that environment has been Nalanda. So thank you, Varda Miss, Sejal Miss, Rele Ma'am, Vaidehi, thank you for the beautiful comparing of the show. Trisha, we couldn't be prouder of you. Today I realized what it feels to be proud of, and it's a different feeling. I'm going to treasure it. You're an excellent pianist. You've coded apps. You today have the world at your feet. I would just tell you one thing, keep doing your best, and everything you wish will be yours, because we'll keep providing for you. Thank you so much, all of you.
Yes, it is all. When the Guru asks, can I add few words? It will be an honor for everyone to hear you, ma'am, please.
I would just like to say a few words that yesterday, I mean day before yesterday and today, this is the first year and first time that Nalanda is having Rangamanch Pravesh for Kathak, and we are fortunate to have these students who are so receptive. Whatever is been taught, they're picking up just like that. Only thing we had to push them to practice, practice and practice. That's all. But we are fortunate, both me, myself and Sejal, come here Sejal, that we had this opportunity, and thank you to Uma ma'am. Thanks a lot ma'am, because we, at least Sejal knew both these students, but I didn't, they were new to me and I was new to them. But it didn't happen. The journey unfolded so that we became one. So thank you very much. This was a pleasure, real pleasure. Thank you, thanks again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And with this, the dinner is served on the 4th floor, requesting all of you.
Yeah, please join us on the 4th floor. It's already ready. Please, it would be a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.